Hello and welcome to IBTimes TV. I'm Leanna Brinder, Business Editor for the International Business Times. Joining me now is Geoff Searle. He's the Type 26 Global Ship Programme Director at BAE Systems. So hi, thanks for joining us today.
Pleasure.
Well, we're here for an exciting announcement, the next stage in the Type 26 project. Can you give us a bit of an overview about what the announcement is?
Yes, certainly. We've been developing the design of the Type 26 Global Combat Ship for around 4 years now, and we're in the phase now of selecting our key suppliers and bringing them on board on the programme. So today we've announced another 6 key suppliers who are joining the Type 26 team to work with us to develop the detailed designs and get into the build programme for the Royal Navy's next generation surface warship.
So tell us a bit about that process in terms of the bids for those suppliers. How long has that taken, and why did you come to the conclusion about these 6?
We've been running a competition for about 2 years now, across a whole range of equipment and systems on the ship. We've issued over 70 invitations to tender to over 200 suppliers throughout the UK, Europe and worldwide. We've been through a very robust and rigorous assessment process to make sure that we engage companies who've got the capabilities we need to support the programme and will offer the best value for money to the Ministry of Defence over the whole life of the ship. So the suppliers we've announced today and previous suppliers at the end of last year have been selected as a result of that thorough process and have proven to be the best suppliers to support the programme going forward into the future.
And combined, how much are all these contracts worth in this wider supply chain?
Well, at the moment we're only placing design contracts. We won't place the main manufacturing contracts until next year. So the value of the contracts at the moment is relatively low, but it will lead to the main equipment manufacturing and supply contracts for the whole programme. The Type 26 programme will be a major programme for the UK for the next 20 years, and around 70 to 80% of the spend on the programme will go into the UK economy. So it will be a significant programme for UK manufacturing and the UK economy for many years to come.
And in terms of maybe a ballpark figure in terms of overall jobs it maybe creates or maintains, what kind of figure is that around?
Well, the Type 26 build programme will sustain around 2,000 jobs within BAE Systems shipyards and engineering and supply chain areas over the next 15 to 20 years. Our analysis that we've used previously shows that for every job sustained in BAE Systems, there's another 2 to 3 jobs in the supply chain. So potentially we're talking 7, 8, 9,000 jobs sustained as a result of this programme over the coming years.
Okay, so we know that now there's several other stages towards it being, I suppose, live in 2020?
Yes.
Yep. So one of the main focus on is obviously going to be the manufacturing stage and production, and especially for BAE, that's in Glasgow. So in terms of the Scottish referendum coming up, what is your guys' position in terms of whether that's still going to happen, whether you're still going to be building these ships in Glasgow in a couple of years' time?
Well, we're planning the Type 26 programme on the basis of building 13 ships in our Glasgow facilities. In the event of a vote in favour of independence, then we would need to work closely with the UK government to decide the future of the programme and the future of UK shipbuilding. But all of our plans are based around building 13 ships in our new facilities in Glasgow. And we're investing in facilities and in engineering, in skills and apprenticeships. So we've got apprentices and young engineers coming into the programme to build skills as well through the programme. So yeah, it will be a significant programme to the benefit of the whole UK as it moves forward.
Well, you've put in all this investment into there. So is there a contingency plan if it does come to pass that Scotland breaks away from the UK?
Now, as I said, if there was a vote for independence, then we will have that discussion with the Ministry of Defence and the UK government to decide the way ahead. So all of our plans are based on the facility in Glasgow at present.
So there's no plan B?
No.
Okay, and so maybe looking towards the next milestones in this project then, what should we look out for, and especially in terms of years?
Well, over the next few years, we'll be making more announcements as suppliers join the programme during the course of this year. The MOD's main approval for the Type 26 programme is due to take place at the end of this year, so we would aim to see an announcement about a contract for the manufacturing phase of the Type 26 programme around the end of the year. So that will be a key announcement for the programme. Moving forward from that, we start the actual build of the first ship in May 2016. And then there'll be obviously a series of program events through to delivering the first ship to the Royal Navy early in the 2020s.
Great. Okay, well, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.